From the simplest single safety input relay to the expandable XS26 safety controller, Banner Engineering has the right solution for your machine safety challenges. Banner's new SC10 is an industry first, a hybrid with the intelligence of a safety controller and the functionality of 2 safety relays. The SC10 has versatile I/O capabilities and features 2 dual-channel relay outputs with 6 amps each, which can create independent safety zones with unique outputs for different safety functions. 4 of the 10 inputs can be converted to outputs for more efficient terminal use. The SC10 features industrial Ethernet 2-way communication to an HMI or PLC for diagnostics or status updates. Send up to 80 non-safe inputs from an HMI or PLC to eliminate costly wiring and buttons for inputs like a manual reset, on-off, cancel-off delay, and mute-enable. The SC10 uses Banner's free safety controller software for simple configuration. Automatic terminal optimization means that wiring is automatically configured to be as efficient as possible and can increase the number of available inputs from 10 up to 14 to accommodate additional input devices. Once the configuration has been confirmed, the files can be saved to an SC-XM3 external drive. Configurations, network settings, and passwords can then be loaded onto additional SC10s by simply inserting the SC-XM3 into the micro USB port or each new safety controller. No matter the size and complexity of your machine safety needs, Banner Engineering can provide a simple, cost-effective solution for you and your business. For more information, please visit bannerengineering.com.